Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing Session. Let us see a term called QFD or Quality Function Deployment in this session. It is also called as Matrix Product Planning, Decision Matrices, Customer Driven Engineering. Every organization has customers. Some have only internal customers, some have only external customers, and some have both. When you are working to determine what you need to accomplish to satisfy or even delight your customer, quality function deployment is an essential tool. QFD is focused methodology for carefully listening to the voice of customer and then effectively responding to the needs and expectation. First developed in Japan in late 1960s as a form of cause and effect analysis, QFD was brought to US in the early 1980s. It gained its early popularity as a result of numerous successes in automotive industry. The methodology in QFD is quality is a measure of customer satisfaction with a product or service. QFD is a structured method that uses 7 management and planning tools to identify and prioritize customers' expectation quickly and effectively. Beginning with the initial matrix, commonly termed as House of Quality, the QFD methodology focuses on most important product or service attribute or qualities. These are composed of customer vows, wants, and must. Once you have prioritized the attributes and qualities, the QFD deploys them to the appropriate organizational function for action. Thus, QFD is a deployment of customer-driven qualities to the responsible function of an organization. Thanks for watching. Bye.